Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Cardo Freecom 4X motorcycle intercom system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for a couple reasons. The first is troubleshooting. If it's not connecting or it keeps disconnecting or it's not syncing or pairing, or if you're having any kind of connection and functionality issues and you've already tried a soft reset, you might want to do a hard reset. That's a good next step in troubleshooting those issues. You will have to set everything up again because this will be restored to its original out-of-the-box settings, which brings us to the second reason you might want to do this is if you want to set it up with something new, or even if you're selling it or you just bought a used one or something, and you just want to start fresh by resetting everything to the original factory default settings, we can go ahead and do it. It's pretty easy to do. With it in standby mode, we're going to come in and we're going to press the three buttons on the top. The phone button, the arrow button, and the Wi-Fi button. All three of them, we'll press all three of them simultaneously for 5 seconds. After those 5 seconds, the LED indicator will blink purple, indicating that the reset is complete.